Hi everyone, my name's Emily and today I'm going to demonstrate how you can connect Nintex for Office 365 to the MailChimp service. In today's example, I'm going to connect these two important systems in a holistic way to improve the process of a marketing campaign. So MailChimp allows you to design, send and track email campaigns, and Nintex allows you to connect the MailChimp service to processes that you have created in Office 365, such as end-to-end marketing campaigns. This scenario utilizes both Nintex Workflow and Nintex Forms for Office 365. So first off, I want to show you how the workflow starts. So when I go to add a new item for this list, we're going to be shown a start form that I created with Nintex Forms. So here is the campaign request form. Now I'm going to submit a campaign that is about the spring sale. And I can put in a description, I can also enter what my expected revenue is, and you can see that the form contains key information that MailChimp needs to create a new campaign, such as the campaign name, who the campaign is from, the subject line of the email, and the dates for the campaign. So let's just fill in some more of these details. So campaign name is Spring Into Action. Campaign date, let's say 24th of April, which is a little bit late for spring, but this will do for us. The from name is the company, so Nintex. Email address, it comes from marketing@nintex.com. And the email subject is Spring Into Action with Nintex. And I also can track the email opens, the email clicks, as well as add this campaign to Google Analytics if I want. So I'm going to keep them all selected as yes. And once I submit this form, it's going to kick off the workflow itself. And that's the next thing that we want to have a look at. So I'm going to open the Nintex Workflow Designer. So here we have our marketing campaign approval workflow, and the approver has the option of approving the campaign straight away, which would be following this right-hand branch, or asking for more information on the campaign, which would follow the left-hand branch. Once the campaign is approved, the workflow will continue on and create the campaign in MailChimp. So how does Nintex connect to MailChimp so that it knows which account to use? This is where configuring this action is important. You need to enter the API key of your MailChimp account, and then the list that you want to connect the campaign to has an ID, and this all needs to go in this action. Next, you also probably want to include the name of your campaign, the email subject, the from name. These are all details that came from the list form I filled out at the beginning. There are also some other areas you may want to fill in. And once this action is configured, the workflow is now connected to your MailChimp account. So MailChimp just becomes part of the larger picture. Now, MailChimp actions are accessed through the Nintex store. And you'll see when we go into the MailChimp pack that we're already subscribed to it. But there is also a range of actions such as create, delete and send campaigns, and also subscribing to a list. You can also retrieve campaign statistics such as bounces, unsubscribes, opens, and more. Once these actions have been added from the Nintex store, they then become available in the toolbox on the left-hand side. So here you can see that there are 5 of the MailChimp actions in our toolbox, ready for use within any of our workflows. While I've been talking you through this workflow, the workflow that we kicked off before with the form has actually been running in the background. So let's go back to our list, and then let's see if the campaign has been created in MailChimp yet. So if I refresh the campaign screen, there you go, you can see that we have Spring Into Action. So it's created the campaign within MailChimp. We're all ready to send. The design is all ready, the template is all there, all of the information, the subject line, the list that it sits on, everything that you need for your campaign is ready, and the final step is just to and send the campaign through MailChimp. Thanks for watching this video. You can find information on other integrations between Nintex for Office 365 and cloud services here on our website.